Welcome back to Jang Info channel. In this video, you will see the question and answers max subject from Science School exam previous papers 2018, 2019 and 2020. This video is practice for you. Read the questions, pause the video and put the comments. The greatest 8 digits number with given digits 5, 8, 7, 5, 2, 0, 6 and 1. Do this in rough work and give the answers. So the first question answer is D. 876555210. Choose the correct option if numbers 52806, 52086, 52860, 52800 and 58260 are arranged in ascending order. So answer is C. 52086, 52800, 52806, 52860, 58260. Next question. A number that must be subtracted from 925564 to make it equal to the sum of 234251 and 352421 will be. Do it now and put the comment. Answer C. 338892. The product of 10101 into 25 is. The product of 10101 into 25 is. Answer B. 252525. The average age of 3 sisters is 15. If the ages of 2 sisters are 12 years and 15 years, the age of the third sister is. We need to find the age of third sister. Answer C. 18 years. 7 by 6 of a leap year. Answer C. 61th week. Write Roman numerals C, D, X, L, I, X in Arabic numerals. Answer 449. Value of 700 divided by 10 minus cursive brackets 12 into 8 divided 34 minus 10. Answer D. 66. 2 equal to dash percentile. 2 equal to dash percentile. Answer A. 200. Vicky bought a bicycle for 3000 and sold it for 2700. What was his loss or gain percent? Answer 10% loss. A train leaves Hyderabad at 1:15 p.m. on Friday and reaches Chennai at 7:30 a.m. on Saturday. The duration of the journey is. We need to find the duration of the journey. Answer C. 18 hours 15 minutes. Karisma bought 2 necklaces for 1,39,500. She sold one of them for 75,000 and the other one for 80,000. How much money did she gain? Answer 15,500. A tall office building has 85 floors. Each floor has 48 windows. Each window is to be decorated with 64 tiny bulbs. How many bulbs would be needed to decorate all the windows? How many bulbs would be needed to decorate all the windows? Answer A. 261120. The smallest 5-digit number that is divisible by 19 is. Smallest 5-digit number that is divisible by 19 is. Answer B. 10013. The greatest number that divides 38 and 68 leaving 8 as remainder in each case is. Answer B. 15. The decimal notation of 10 kg to tag 6G is. Answer 10.026 kg. Which of the following pair of angles are supplementary? Answer B. 113 degrees and 67 degrees. The perimeter of the rectangle and square are same length and breadth of the rectangle are 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. What is the area of the square? We need to find the area of the square. Answer C. 81 square centimeters. Which of the following measures of three angles can be those of a triangle? Answer 32 degrees, 69 degrees, 79 degrees. Which statement is true? All hexagons are triangles because they have at least 3 sides. All octagons are polygons because they have at least 3 sides. All parallelograms are rectangles because they have 2 sets of parallel sides. All rhombus are squares because they have 4 sides that are all the same length. Answer B. All octagons are polygons because they have at least 3 sides. The fraction equivalent to 1.25 is. The fraction equivalent to 1.25 is. Answer 1 by 4. The sum of two numbers is 11009. If one of them is 9999, the other number is. Answer 1010. Simplify 6 divided by 6 plus 6 into 6 minus 6. Answer 31. Simplify 1 by 24 minus 1 plus 1 by 36. Answer A. 17 by 72. Sarah poured 1 by 8 cups of lemonade each in 5 glasses. What was the total amount of lemonade Sarah poured in 5 glasses? Answer C. 5 by 8 cups. Ritu has 1 by 4th of a sack of rice. She divides the rice equally into 7 bags. What fraction of the full sack of rice is in each bag? Answer 1 by 28. 1 plus 0 plus 9 by 100 plus 3 by 1000 equal to. Answer 1.093. Which two quadrilaterals have both two pairs of parallel sides and two acute angles? Answer C. What is the sum of 20.08, 20.008, 20.088 and 20.888? Answer A. 81.064. Round off 37,504 to the nearest hundreds. Answer 37,500. A train is running at a speed of 75 km per hour. How much time will it take to cover a distance of 350 km? Answer D. 4 hours 40 minutes. A block of wood is in the form of a cube. Its edge is 4 meters. How many rectangular pieces of dimension 20 centimeters into 10 centimeters into 5 centimeters can be cut from the block? Answer D. 64,000. In how many years the sum of 500 at 5% per annum will amount to 600 rupees? Answer 4 years. Next question. The average of 4 numbers is 30. If the sum of the first 3 numbers is 85, the fourth number is. Answer 35. What percent of 10 kilometers is 10 m? What percent of 10 kilometers is 10 meters? Answer 0.1%. The number of square tiles of side 15 cm required for flooring a room of size 3.6 meters into 4.5 meters will be. Answer 720. The smallest odd number formed by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is. Answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which of the following numbers are arranged in ascending order? Answer C. 0.25, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. A boat is flowing in still water at the speed of 18 km per hour. The speed of boat in second is. Answer D. 5 meters per second. The value of 200 Fahrenheit in degrees Celsius is. Answer B. 93.3 degrees Celsius. Find the difference between the number 36490 and the number obtained by interchanging the places of 6 and 9. Answer A. 2970. Convert 3.75 of 5% plus 7.25 of 10% into decimals. Answer 0.9125. What is the next row of numbers? 2884 112, 38 114 152, 48 144 192. Answer A. 58 174 232. A boy runs around a rectangular field of length 40 meters and breadth 25 meters. How much distance will he run if he takes 4 rounds of that field? Answer 520 meters. A room is 15 meters long and 10 meters broad. Find the cost of carpeting its floor if 1 square centimeter of carpet costs 2 rupees. Answer D. 30 lakhs. The cost of a pack of 15 balls is 300 rupees and a pack of 12 shuttlecock is 96 rupees. If Raghu bought 1 ball and 1 shuttlecock, how much would he pay to shopkeeper? Answer D. 28 rupees. The greatest number which divides 624 and 936 exactly is 312. Find the smallest number which is divisible by 624 and 936. Answer 1872. A person purchased an old bicycle for 450 rupees and spends 50 rupees on its maintenance. If he sold the old bicycle for 600 rupees, then his profit percentage is. Need to find profit percentage. Answer 20%. Find the area of figure given below. Check the figure. Length is 6 cm, 4 cm and 4 cm. Breadth is 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm and 2 cm. Answer C. 44 square centimeters. Amar spent 3/8 of his time studying science. He spent 2/5 of as much time studying English as science. What fraction of Amar's study time was spent studying English? Answer B. 3/28. If the square of a number is added to the square of 28, the result is 1808. What is the number? Answer 32. If area of rectangular garden of 5 meters breadth is 300 square meters, then what will be the length of garden? Need to find the length of garden. Answer 60 meters. A man covers a distance of 40 kilometers. He covers first 10 kilometers at 10 kilometers per hour, second 10 kilometers at 20 kilometers per hour, third 10 kilometers at 30 kilometers per hour, and last 10 kilometers at 40 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed of man? Answer 19.2 kilometers per hour. The average weight of 6 boys gets increased by 5 kg. If a boy with weight 20 kg is replaced by a new boy, what is the weight of new boy? Answer 50 kg. A table was purchased at 1000 rupees and was sold at 800 rupees. What was gain or loss percent in this transaction? We need to find the gain or loss in percentages. Answer 20%. A milkman has 2 cans of milk containing 75 liters and 45 liters of milk, respectively. What will be the measure of largest vessel that can measure the milk of the 2 cans exactly? Answer 15 liters. 4 clocks rings at the time interval of 6 seconds, 8 seconds, 12 seconds and 18 seconds respectively. If they ring together at 12 am, then how many times will they ring together within the time span of 6 minutes? Answer B. 4 times. The LCM of two numbers is 28 times of their HCF. The sum of their LCM and HCF is 1740. If one number is 240, then what is the other number? Answer D. 380. The LCM of two numbers is 28 times of their HCF. The sum of their LCM and HCF is 1740. If one number is 240, then what is the other number? Answer 420. Asu takes 12 days to complete the work. Pranav takes 10 days to complete the same work. Ashok, Pranav and Ramu take 5 days to complete the same work. How many days will Ramu take to complete the same work? Answer: 60 days. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Answer: B. 65,124. Simplify 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 divided brackets 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Answer: B. 37 by 30. Find the perimeter of the following figure. Check the figure and find the perimeter. Answer: 15 centimeters. A floor is 5 meters long and 4 meters wide. A square carpet of side 3 meters is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Answer: C. 11 meters square. Cost of a dozen pens is 180 rupees and cost of 8 ball pens is 56 rupees. The ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of a ball pen is. Answer: A. 15:7. A truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 594 kilometers. How much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1650 kilometers? Answer: C. 300 liters. Find the simple interest on 5000 at the rate of 7.12% for a period of 3 years. Answer: D. 1125 rupees. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 1:2:3. Find the values of the angles. Answer: A. 30, 60 and 90. One number exceeds another number by 36. The sum of numbers is 48. Then the numbers are. Answer: 42:06. At which one of the following times is the angle between the hands of a clock exactly one straight angle? Answer: 6 am. Find out the smallest number which is divisible by 6, 12, 18. Answer: 180. Which of the following measures of angles given can be those of isosceles triangles? Answer: A. 90, 45, 90 degrees and 45 degrees. The length of a rectangle is 5 cm more than its breadth. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 50 cm, then what is the area? Answer: 50 cm square. 12 persons can finish a piece of work in 15 days. In how many days will the same work be completed by 20 persons? Answer: B. 9 days. The LCM of two prime numbers is. Answer: Product. In a school of 1000 students, 330 come by bus, 400 come walking, and the remaining are dropped by parents. What is the percentage of students that don't ride the bus to school? Answer: 67%. A train from station A to station B covers a distance of 616 kilometers at a uniform speed of 112 kilometers per hour. It halts at station B for 1 hour before starting back. How much time will it take to complete the journey and reach back to station A, that is from A to B and back? Answer: C. 12 hours. A table was sold at 16% loss for 3,360 rupees. Find the cost price of the table. Answer: 4,000. There are 17 rooms in a school. Every room has 2 fans and 4 LED bulbs. How many switches are required for the school if every fan requires a switch and 1 switch is required for every 2 bulbs? Answer: B. 68. The product of two decimal numbers is 12.194. If one of them is 4.69, what the other number is? Answer: 2.6. Rahul purchases a chair for 600 and uses 200 for repairs. If he sells it for 1000 rupees, then he has. Answer: 25% profit. The temperature dropped 15 degrees Celsius in the last 38 days. If the rate of temperature drop remains the same, how many degrees will the temperature drop in the next 10 days? Answer: 5 degrees. From a basket of mangoes, when counted in twos, there was one extra. Counted in threes, there were two extra. Counted in fours, there were three extra. Counted in fives, there were four extra. Counted in sixes, there were five extra. But counted in sevens, there were no extra. At least, how many mangoes were there in the basket? Answer: A. 119. Which of the following two-digit number when added to 27 gets reversed? Answer: C. 47. The ratio of income to expenditure of Radha is 7:5. If she saves 2000 a month, what is her annual income? Answer: D. 84,000. The ratio of the length to breadth of a rectangular lawn is 3:5. It costs 3,200 to fence it at the rate of 2 rupees a meter. What would be the cost of developing the lawn at the rate of 10 rupees per square meter? Answer: 15 lakhs. A, B and C divide an amount amongst themselves in the ratio of 4:7:9 respectively. If B square in the amount is 2,989, what is the total amount? Answer: 8,540. The average age of a class of 40 students is 18 years. When the teacher's age is also included to calculate the average age becomes 19 years. What is the teacher's age? Answer: 59 years. What is the greatest number which when divides 3026 and 5053 leaves reminders 11 and 13 respectively? Find the greatest number. Answer: 45. Ravi purchased a chair at 500 rupees and sold it at 550 rupees. What was his gain or loss in percentage? Answer: 10%. A certain distance is being covered in 28 hours by walking with a speed of 5 km per hour. If the speed is increased by 2 km per hour, then how much time the same distance will be covered? Answer: 20 hours. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? Answer: 5 by 8 meter. What is the missing number in the sequence 2, 5, 10, 14, 18, 23, 26, 32? Answer: 34. 30 men can do a piece of work in 16 days. In how many days? 8 men can do the same work. D. 60 days. Ram, Shyam and Mohan runs at speed of 35 meters, 50 meters and 30 meters per minute respectively. After how much time will they meet together for the first time running with the same speed? Answer: D. 5 by 2 hours. Represent 26 kg 5 gram using concept of decimals. Answer: B. 26.005 kg. At what rate the sum of 6,000 will amount to 7,800 in 5 years? Answer: D. 6%. What will be the depth of a cubical pond whose volume is 729 cube meters? Answer: 9 meters. Next question. Evaluate. 3 into 7 plus 4 minus 6 divided by 3 minus 7 plus 45 divided by 5 into 4 plus 49. Answer: 101. In what time a train whose length is 100 meters moving with a speed of 60 km per hour crosses a platform whose length is 150 meters? Answer: 15 seconds. Ram, Rahul and Rohit shared a bag of marbles. The bag contained 272 marbles. How many marbles were left over after the friends shared them equally? Answer 2. Cost of 4 dozens of bananas is 60 rupees. How many bananas can be purchased for 12 rupees 50 paisa? Answer 10. The average weight of 16 boys in a class is 50.25 kg and that of the remaining 8 boys is 65.15 kg. Find the average weight of all the boys in the class. Answer C. 48.55 kg. Manju runs around a rectangular park of length 35 meters and breadth 20 meters. Meenu runs around a square park of side 30 meters. Who covers less distance and by how much if Meenu takes 4 rounds and Manju takes 3 rounds completely? Answer C. Manju 150 meters. A photo frame is in the shape of a quadrilateral with one diagonal longer than the other. Which of the following is the possible shape of the photo frame? Answer rhombus. The product of a non-zero whole number and its successor is always. Answer D. An even number. The product of a non-zero whole number and its successor is always an even number. The sum fetched a total simple interest of 4,016 rupees 25 paisa at the rate of 9% in 5 years. What is the sum? Answer 8,925 rupees. Find the angle measured between the hands of the clock when time shows 6 pm. Answer C. 180. Find the volume of a cube of side 6 cm. Answer A. 216 cube centimeters. Write Roman numeral in Arabic numeral. Answer A. 439. The product of two numbers is 1296 if one number is 16 times the other. Find the smaller number. Answer 9. The measure of an angle is 3/4 of 60 degrees. What is the measure of the complementary angle? Answer 45 degrees. We subtract the difference of 8,362 7,942 from the sum of 5,675 and 1,327. A. 6.582. Find the perimeter of the figure. Check the figure and we need to find the perimeter. Answer B. 52 centimeters. How much time will it take for an amount of 450 rupees to yield 81 rupees as interest at 4.5% per annum of simple interest? Answer B. 4 years. In a triangle, if the second angle is 2 times the first angle and the third angle is 3 times the first angle, find the angles of the triangle. Answer 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. The area of a circle is 616 square centimeter. Find its diameter. Answer 26 centimeter. Find the quotient when 53.016 is divided by 24. Answer B. 2.209. A rectangular path of 60 meters length and 3 meters width is covered by square tiles of side for 25 centimeters. Find the number of tiles used to make this path. Answer C. 2880. 475 plus 950. What is the value of A in 475 plus 64% of 950 equal to 900 plus A? Answer 183. What will be HCF of 216, 288 and 720? Answer D. 72. Solve 106 into 106 minus 94 into 94 equal to answer A. 24,000. Your mobile phone is sold for 1650 rupees after purchasing it for 1500. What is the percentage of profit? Answer 10. In the first test of mathematics, a student gets 18 marks out of 25. In the second test of same weightage, he got 22 marks. What percentage of marks did he get more in the second test? Answer C. 16%. Average of 28 results is 18. If C is the subtracted from each point from each result, then how will be the new average. Solve. 7 by 3 into 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 5 all divided by 2 plus 1 2 by 3rd. Answer 70 by 99. Square root of 1089 divided by 121. Answer is 3. If angles A, B, and C is a triangle ABC are 3x, 5x and 8x plus 4 respectively, then find all the three angles. Answer 33, 55, 92. 37,800. What are prime factors of this number? Answer B. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. 10% of 3.75 plus 15% of 7 by 2, 7.25. Answer 1.4625. Which sequence correctly matches these angles with their measure? Answer A. I am a prime number. If you subtract 2 from me, I became divisible by 7. Answer 23. For questions from 36 to 40, the following table has to be consulted. Answer Thiruvananthapuram. The given name of the city, temperature in degrees Celsius, temperature at 3 pm is degrees Celsius. Based on this diagram, provide the answers for the next coming questions. Which place had the highest temperature at 3 am? Answer Thiruvananthapuram. Which place is the coolest at 3 pm? Answer Srinagar. How much higher is the temperature in Mumbai from that of Srinagar at 3 pm? Answer 27. How many degrees will be the temperature at 3 am? Need to rise for it to reach 40 degrees Celsius in Thiruvananthapuram. Answer D 18.4. Answer 8 degrees and 3.3 degrees. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. Answer 52965. Estimate the product 5980 into 428 by rounding off each number to the nearest hundreds. Answer 24 lakhs. Three numbers are in the ratio of 3:4:5 and their LCM is 2400. Their HCF is answer 40. Leela reads 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Lalita read 2/5 of the same book. Who read less and by how much? Answer Leela 15 pages. Square root of 625 divided by 11 into 14 by square root of 25 into 11 by square root of 196 is equal to A. 5 answer. Naveen bought 3 meters 20 centimeters cloth for his shirt and 2 meters 5 centimeters cloth for his trousers. Find the total length of cloth bought by him. Answer B. 5.25 meters. The least common multiple of 3, 4 and 9. Answer 36. An aeroplane covers a certain distance at a speed of 240 km per hour in 5 hours. To cover the same distance in 1 by 2/3 hours, it must travel at a speed of answer 720 km per hour. A can lay railway track between two given stations in 16 days. And B can do the same job in 12 days with the help of C. They did the job in 4 days only. C alone can do the job in how many days? 9 3/5 days. In the figure, find the ratio of number of triangles to the number of circles inside the rectangle and number of squares to all the figures inside the rectangle. A. 3 by 2 and 2 by 7. Thanks for watching. If you like this video,